Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you guys an update on LayerEdge. I know by now so many people are still finding it difficult to carry out their proof of humanity. I say finding it difficult to carry out a proof of humanity. So watch this video to the end because it's not even up to we have less than 24 hours for this whole proof of humanity to come to an end, and only 300 people 300k people have been able to perform. Only 300k people have been able to perform the POH, the POH, that's proof of human. Just like the this is the last call to verify your POH with at zkPass. 1 day left. It's not up to 1 day because I'm making this video now. This is 20, today is 25th, which is the final day. Because out of millions of people that are mining this point, only 300k plus has been able to verify. So you don't want to spend all your time checking in every day, clicking and mining, taking everything seriously, only to end up with issues of not being able to verify your wallet. Okay, so now this is a thing I'm gonna show you in this video because I don't know, so many people are finding it difficult, but I did mine. I was still having the same issues, but my own letter went through because I stayed late at night. I did it in the midnight around 1 a.m 2 a.m in the morning. That's when I did mine, and it works. I've been able to verify my my Binance account and my Bybit account, so it works very fast. So what I did there, if you check on my the first video I posted, I talked about how to do this, how to perform the task faster. You need to download a zkPass on the zkPass extension, and once you're done downloading the zkPass extension, download VPN. I use Windscribe VPN extension. Download it as well, so it will help you run it faster. Like some of my referrals, someone contacted me that up to now has not been able to do it. So this is what you're to do. Try to change your browser. If you're using Chrome, go to other browser like Mrs. browser, change your browser, import your wallet, and then try with other browser and see, because it will be very painful for you to carry out all the at the end of the day you will just be wiped and flushed out because you could not be able to verify your proof of humanity. So try with try switching to other browser, and try using VPN. Like so many people, and those of you that does not have PC, you're just walking to a business center, or maybe you can, I'm not sure they're still buying time. You can buy time, just import your wallet, MetaMask, download it. Once you're done connecting, you can just log out. For those of you that does not have PC, go walk up to a business center, tell them you want to make use of the system. Maybe you can buy time, 1 hour or 30 minutes. Try doing it with PC, it will work. I don't know, but I only got an issue when I tried making it the first time. When I tried verifying that first time that they just announced it, that was when I had an issue because the traffic was so much. The traffic was so much. So but now after I did the second day, I have to stay at night just to perform the LayerEdge. Okay, so I did it and it worked. So I was able to verify my Binance account and my Bybit account, which gave me a total score of 80. So this is the last call to verify your POH with zkPass, the one left. So guys, in this video, as of today I'm making this video, is not up to 24 hours anymore, and the problem is that we don't know if they are going to give us, they're going to extend the verification, they're going to give time for the people who have not done theirs to try again. But for this video, the key fact is that if you are using a phone, you're using your phone, your Android phone could not do it, just walk up to a business center. Or if you cannot do that, just try another browser. Okay, so when you try another browser, try importing your wallet, import your wallet, and then log in. Once you have done that, try again and it will work. Okay, try as fast as you can, because today is the last day. Today is the last day. It's not even up to 24 hours again. Try to do it, okay? Because as this airdrop, I'm not surprised, because there are a lot of people who are mining this airdrop and they are not ready to distribute this airdrop to everybody. Let the truth be told. They're not ready to distribute the airdrop for everybody. And if this airdrop is to launch well, yeah, they're going to go for a lot, like this 300k with millions of people that mine. Okay, so if 300k people have been able to pass their POH, their POH, proof of human, meaning that the airdrop will be tangible, meaning that the price will be high. But if everybody could succeed in doing it, I don't know, I mean, the price would be low. Okay, so they actually know what they are doing. All you need to do is to try and make sure that you've been able to pass, because the few people who pass, they're going to distribute it to those people, and all your time, all the months you've been mining, just be a time wasted. Okay, so I made a video to clarify these issues that some persons are going through. Try as much as you can. Now I even have to go through some some persons are asking. So now you can see that someone says that I can't verify, please work on the zkPass. The next button isn't working for most of us, and many of us don't use a laptop. Exactly what I'm saying. Now if you're having issue, put it in the comment section. Let me know what your issue is. Okay, now for those of you that does not have laptop, this is why I say walk up to a business center, cafe, go to a cafe, tell them that buy time, connect. It doesn't take you time. Connect or download the extension. Okay, use it, do it, just do it. Know that you are just trying to get your, and for those of you that bought CL1 and all that, you're not going to spend your money, and at the end of the day you're not going to get anything out of it. So walk into a business center, buy time, import your wallet. You're using MetaMask, MetaMask, Phantom wallet, whatever wallet you're using, import it. Download zkPass extension. It's not much to download. It's not going to spoil your system. Just download it, do whatever you want to do, and log out. Yeah, okay. Now 300k people only, and how many people are mining this? Only 300k people, 300k plus people have been able to verify. Okay, so that is it. And this is after this proof of humanity, I think they're still gonna have to check some things, and then they're gonna announce the TGE. So guys, you still have, like, I think some hours left to try and verify yours. If you are using phone, you don't have PC. If you are using phone, you don't have PC. I repeat it. If you are using phone, you don't have PC. Walk up to a business center, go to a cafe and buy time. Import your what's it called, your MetaMask wallet, and be careful while doing that. Don't leave it open. Import it. If you are using Phantom wallet, import it. Download zkPass extension, import your wallet, and try doing it again. It will work. Okay, it will work. I'm not sure they are going to give us extend the time again, because then they are trying to lower the people, that they don't want everybody to qualify for the airdrop. Yeah, they don't want it. That's the truth. Okay, now this guy said scale of verification here is remarkable. 95 million plus requests and 300k verified users show the robust infrastructure. zkPass. Okay, now this is actually talking about zkPass. So don't miss this final opportunity to participate in the LayerEdge code verification process. Right, so this is another means to cut off some people. So if you haven't done that, try and go do yours. Okay, try and go do yours. Download VPN. I don't know, because I only got issue the first time I tried doing. Now the second day I tried it, I told you guys that I stayed up till 2 a.m. in the morning just to get my proof of humanity done, and it was successful. So I've been able to verify 2 accounts. You check my former video I posted, you will see it. Okay, you will see it. So guys, yeah, so I'm just going out to see so many people here. So see until now this tweet was made 2 hours ago. I can't verify, it's not reflecting on my LayerEdge site. So so many people are just going through this. So instead of you to just give up, just try going to other cafe, try doing it with PC. If you have a friend that has PC, try to borrow the PC, import your wallet. Once you're done, just log out. The main thing is for you to get verified, right? So once you're done, you log out. Okay, If you're already shown successful on the zkPass app but not on the website, what does that mean? Yeah, that's another question. So persons have done it, and if you already show successful on the zkPass app but not on the website, what does that mean? Yeah, so guys, if it has shown, so I think they are going to fix it. For now I don't really know what it means. Okay, it's so I think you should try reconnecting your wallet, and you're good to go. My point is not counting, but I've been verified on Transgate. So some persons are using Transgate, some persons are not seeing their points. So my advice is that try reconnecting yours. If yours is not reflecting, try reconnecting, disconnect that wallet and reconnect it back. I think it will reflect. Okay, now this one says I have issues verifying twice now, fix it. And this one is just 24 hours ago. So all right, now this one shows like this. So yours should be showing like this. Okay, so this is exactly how I've been able to verify Binance and Bybit, and it gave me 80 points, right? So if you're using zkPass and it doesn't work for you, try again. Switch your wallet. If you don't have laptop, just borrow a laptop or go to a business center, pay money and do it. Okay, try, because so many people are trying to disqualify so many people. That's just their tactics. Okay, 40% push enough for eligibility. They did not say you must have up to 1,000 points. With 40%, you are good to go. So far you have verified one of the exchange. Okay, yeah. So this one says I'm stuck here, website is not available. So this is a problem. Try using VPN. If yours is showing like this, try with VPN. And I'm really tired. What else should I do? KuCoin 2 is not connecting. I have tried everything I know of. Yeah, KuCoin is not connecting. If KuCoin is not connecting, try other wallet, because some persons are even trying to do more than 3 or 4 exchange. Okay, so even if one works for you guys, you are good to go. Right, what they needed is just a proof of humans. Okay, now this one said not verified after all the possible way. Uninstall and install Transgate app, changing my phone to desktop mode, taking screenshots and scan with zkPass, using TokenPocket wallet, using OKX, Mrs. Kiwi browser, but say, oh, now collect my $5 for OG pass, and now I'm a human that can't verify. Yeah, this is the same issue that I'm still talking about. If yours is showing like that, you have tried all these means and you're using your PC, sorry, you're using phone, go walk up to a business center and go and buy time and do it. Try with system first and see if it will not work. With your listen, I made video about that, just that the video didn't get much views. Okay, go and watch out. Try as much as you can today. I'm not sure they will extend the date, because they are trying to make sure that some persons have already, they don't want everybody to qualify for the airdrop. That is just their own way of doing it. That's what every airdrop does. It's not everybody who participated will be eligible. So try as much as you can. So this one says stock here. This one says it's stock here. Yeah, before I did mine, this was exactly how mine was showing. It wasn't going error all the time. So I tried downloading VPN. I use VPN. Make sure that your internet connection is strong. If your own internet is not working, change it. Can try MTN or Airtel or any other network. Somebody has the Wi-Fi, can go to anywhere you have Wi-Fi, connect it will work. Alright, it will work. Okay, so please, what of us that did the on-chain verification, they took 0.13 base 8. Hope we are good to go. Yeah. Okay, this is another question. The on-chain is for people that are restricted, that in some countries that are restricting some exchange. You cannot get access to any of the exchange, so that's why they give this on-chain. I think that is they brought out this for a solution, so you are good to go as well. Now the proof of humanity should be at least 120 points. This is necessary for Cebu. It mustn't be 120 point, guys. They said do one, and that one is 40. So if you are going extra mile, I think you are just helping yourself to gather more points. I don't know. So if you did one, you are okay. I have verified, but it hasn't shown verified for me. Did it count? Okay, did it count this time now? All right, so it's not working. Change your PC. Try changing your PC. Change your browser. Download VPN. Right. Now POH is not responding for the past 2 days. Any help please, and could you please add more days for us from country like Nigeria? Will be glad if it happens. Well, I'm not sure. Let's just see what comes up today. At the close of today, they're going to add more time. I just hope so that they add to, because some of my referrals are still trying to. For the people that are using PC, I've told them try and change. Don't use, go and get a laptop. Go and get a laptop. If you don't know where to get a laptop, walk up to a cafe and buy time. Try and do that and download your GK and try doing it with a PC. It works faster. Not with I tried using my phone, it wasn't working, so I go and I did it with PC, so it worked. So guys, just trying to show you some questions that people are asking here. You guys should find a solution for us. So many of us are unable to use Transgate, exactly the same thing. So guys, try now. 300. Okay, now we got 315k people minted the OG pledge pass. 300k people are able to complete TGE POH pass. Safe to say this, only 300k people should be expecting airdrop at mainnet. Exactly 300k people. Yeah, so let's hope and see if they're going to extend. But for now, as you have seen, if you have seen this video, you're just lucky. Share this video with others, because I am not sure they are going to extend this airdrop. Try and all possible means. If you are using phone, go and get a PC. Try doing it with PC before you come back to complain. Please go and try using PC. You don't have PC, if you don't have PC, go to business center, tell them that you want to buy time, import your whatever wallet you're using, you're good to go. So this is what I did, and it works for me. It didn't work with phone. I tried using phone, it did not work. It didn't work. So go to any business center, get their PC, buy time. It will just, you just pay. You're not going to spend up to 1,000 euro. Buy time, do it, do your stuff, and it will work. If it doesn't work, let's hope they extend the date, but I know it will work. Okay, so this one said the page is currently unavailable. At times I think they actually know what they are doing, so try and do yours. Okay, try and make sure that you do all those things that I mentioned in this video, and you are going to see everything is going to work. It will work out for you. For Nigeria, okay, for Nigeria, use VPN to do it. Use locations. Okay, Singapore, I didn't change any location. That's why I recommend Winscribe. That's the VPN I use. It was very fast for me. So go and download Winscribe extension. If you are using PC, use PC, don't use phone. It's really very hard in phone. Don't use your phone, go and use your PC. Walk up to a business center, buy time, do it, it will work. Okay, you still have some time. Yeah, you still have some time. If you are seeing error, keep trying. Do it at keep trying, keep doing it, keep trying to work. Right, it's all gonna work. Yeah, please extend the deadline. Could get up to level 2 on exchange. So for those level 2 stuff, it's not really necessary. For those people have traded up to $500. So if you have not tried to do your level 1, then you are good to go. Let's see what this the whole LayerEdge stuff, let's see what it's going to bring. All right, let's see what they are going to offer the community after all the labor. If you find this video helpful, do also share this video, like this video, subscribe. If you have any challenge, put it in the comment section. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll come back with another update. Okay, try and do what I just showed you in this video, and it's going to work. If it doesn't work, put it in the comment section. I will still guide you. Okay, don't forget to share with others so that they can also get to know about this. I'll come again with another interesting video. Until then, remain blessed. See you in my next video, and bye.